स्टडी विद सुधीर में आपका स्वागत है। आज इस वीडियो में हम चर्चा करेंगे द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड, जो कि कहानी है सीबीएसई क्लास 9 इंग्लिश के सिलेबस की, जो कि आपके मोमेंट्स किताब में है। एंड दिस स्टोरी इज रिटन बाय मुल्कराज आनंद। ओके, सो ये पूरी कहानी का सारांश क्या है ना। इस कहानी में, जो कि एक मेले में इस कहानी को स्टेज किया गया है, There a little child gets lost, gets separated from his parents. अपने माता पिता से बिछड़ जाता है। हमने काफी कहानियां सुनी हैं, कुंभ के मेले में लोग खो जाते हैं, बच्चे खो जाते हैं। उसी तरह से ये बच्चा उस मेले में खो जाता है। तो ये कहानी है कि जब तक वे अपने माता पिता के साथ रहता है, उसका बर्ताव, उसका रवैया कैसा रहता है, और जब वह अपने माता पिता से बिछड़ जाता है तब उसका बिहेवियर कैसा रहता है, उसके बारे में मुल्कराज आनंद, जो कि काफी प्रमुख स्टोरी राइटर रहे हैं भारत के, उन्होंने इस कहानी में इस बात का वर्णन किया है। सो द स्टोरी इज अबाउट ए चाइल्ड हु इज लॉस्ट, separated from his parents, and then at that time while he is with his parents, he wants the toys, he wants the sweets, he wants the balloon, he wants to go on that roundabout जो कि मेले में रहता है। लेकिन द मोमेंट ही रियलाइजेस दैट अब ही इज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम हिज पेरेंट्स, कि अपने माता पिता से बिछड़ गया है, देन दीज मटीरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स, ये सब जो एंजॉयमेंट वाली चीजें हैं जो मेले में मिलती हैं, उसमें उसकी कोई रुचि नहीं है, उसमें उसको कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। अभी उसको ही कीप्स ऑन सेइंग आई वांट माय मदर, आई वांट माय फादर, ही कीप्स ऑन रिपीटिंग बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट बिकम्स मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन एनीथिंग एल्स। इजंट दैट ट्रू? सो उस समय पर उसको ये मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स में कोई भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, उसको सिर्फ अपने माता पिता के पास जाना है। तो ये तो हो गई कहानी एक लाइन में। इस स्टोरी का थीम क्या है? थीम ये है कि पेरेंट्स, माता पिता, एक तरह की सिक्योरिटी, फिजिकल सिक्योरिटी एंड इमोशनल सिक्योरिटी, आप इन फ्रेजेस का इस्तेमाल अपने उत्तरों में जरूर कीजिएगा। ओके, the parents provide emotional and physical security to the child, and that is what the child craves for when he realizes that suddenly he is alone in this big world. The people who he knows best are no longer by his side, and therefore he wants the mother and the father to be back, because he craves for that physical and emotional security. So that is the theme of this particular story. The characters are the child, the father, the mother, and a stranger who makes an appearance towards the end of the story. Okay, now the story starts with, it was a festival of spring. From the wintry shades of narrow lanes and alleys emerged a gaily clad humanity. Now इसमें कुछ words हैं जिनका कि मैं आपको अर्थ समझाऊंगा। Gaily means, with a lot of gay, a lot of color, and there is a lot of joy in what it is happening. Gaily clad humanity means जो रंग बिरंगे color के, lot of different kinds of dresses and attires the people were wearing, and that's what he has described. Alleys means गलियां, right? Lanes and gullies, छोटी छोटी गलियां जो कि काफी cramped होती हैं। Brimming essentially talks of brimming over with life and brimming is like जब कोई पतीला होता है उसमें आप दूध उबाल रहे हो और वो उबाल जाता है, it kind of boils over, so you're talking about brimming over. So उस पूरे मेले में माहौल ऐसा था कि सभी लोग अपने आप को काफी एंजॉय कर रहे थे। So there was a lot of joy and life and laughter out there in this particular fair. Okay, so there he is going around and he is enjoying looking at all the different stalls out there. So that is what he is kind of talking about. Mulkraj Anand has kind of explained. Lingering means जो कि थोड़ा सा it just keeps on continuing is what is referred to as lingering. Receding means जो कि कम हो रहा हो. So the child is fascinated by what, और इसके ऊपर भी आपको छोटे प्रश्न आ सकते हैं, 1 mark 2 mark questions, by the toys at the fair, by the insects and the worms, because mother कहती है कि तुम इन सब चीजों को क्यों देख रहे हो, because he wants to get a toy. Okay, and the moment he wants to get a toy and he says I want that toy, his father looked at him red-eyed, and this is an important part, in his familiar tyrant's way. तो अपने father को वो एक तरह से ऐसे आदमी के रूप में डिस्क्राइब करते हैं जिनको कि काफी क्रोध आता है, जिनको कि काफी गुस्सा आता है। ओके, और ये एक तरह से फेमिलियर पैटर्न है, विच इज व्हाई ही सेज इन हिज फेमिलियर टायरेंट्स वे, ही इज ए वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट फादर एंड द बॉय इज ऑब्वियसली नॉट वेरी फॉन्ड और एटलीस्ट ए लिटिल स्केयर्ड ऑफ द father. Okay, but the mother इज लिटिल मोर सिंपैथेटिक, तो उसको बोलती हैं कि तुम इस खेत को देखो जहां पर काफी सारे मस्टर्ड के फील्ड्स, मस्टर्ड के प्लांट्स हैं और काफी सारे इंसेक्ट्स और वर्म्स एंड ड्रैगन फ्लाइज आर फ्लाइंग। सो ही इज फैसिनेटेड, टॉयज से लेके उसका माइंड डाइवर्ट हो जाता है एंड ही लुक्स एट इंसेक्ट्स एंड वर्म्स एंड ड्रैगन फ्लाइज एंड डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ इंसेक्ट्स। He also then goes on and looks at the flowers. जब flowers गिरते हैं, गिरे हुए होते हैं, उन सभी flowers को collect करने की कोशिश करता है. He is also very charmed by the doves, which are like pigeons. उनकी जिस तरह की cooing की आवाज होती है, he gets fascinated by, which is why one of the questions that you could get is child as a nature lover. Nature lover means that he's obviously interested in all these things, the insects, the worms, the flowers, the doves, so the snake charmer, so he kind of looks at life around him because all this is life, plant life, animal life, right? So he's very fascinated by that. So you need to say that he's not just fascinated by the balloons and the sweets and the toys, he actually enjoys himself being part of nature and taking part in the process of nature, which is why he kind of likes the way he collects the flowers, shows a delicate nature, a delicate side of this little child. Okay, then he is also fascinated by, he wants to buy a sweet burfi, but then he knows, I want that burfi, he slowly murmured, but he half knew as he begged that his plea would not be heeded because his parents would say he was greedy. So without waiting for an answer, he moved on. So मन ही मन में उसको वो बर्फी खाने का मन है, he wants to buy that बर्फी, लेकिन उसको ये भी मालूम है कि अगर उसने कहा कि मुझे वो बर्फी खानी है तो उसके पेरेंट्स कहेंगे कि तुम लालची हो, तुम लालची हो। इसका मतलब क्या है कि पहले किसी टाइम पे उसने ये कहा होगा, बच्चे ने कहा होगा कि मुझे ये स्वीट खाना है और उन्होंने इस तरह से उनकी प्रतिक्रिया, उनका रिएक्शन ऐसा रहा होगा तो उसको वो याद है, तो इस बारी वो बर्फी की मांग भी नहीं करता है. He moves on from that sweet shop. So it also shows that the child is an intelligent boy. He is an intelligent child who understands what could be the possible reaction of his parents and therefore does not throw a tantrum. नहीं कि मुझे ये बर्फी चाहिए ही चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं बोलता है. तो he kind of does not throw a tantrum and moves on. So he is a more of a very mature kind of a boy. So उसके बाद स्नेक चार्मर को देखता है कि उसको, that also he gets very fascinated by. But again another aspect is pointed out here because he says the child went towards the snake charmer but knowing his parents had forbidden him to hear such कोर्स म्यूजिक. कोर्स मतलब वो जो बीन बजाते हैं, that kind of a music which is not a very refined kind of a sound, right? So his parents did not particularly like and appreciate that kind of a sound or that kind of a music, which is why it has been referred to as coarse. More coarse मतलब थोड़ा rough. Okay, that the snake charmer played. So he proceeded further. So again shows that he एक बार जो उसको बोला जाता है उसका ध्यान रखता है, that stays in his mind and that kind of plays a part in how he reacts later on. Okay, राउंड अबाउट की बात होती है, जिस तरह से ऊपर नीचे जो झूला जाता रहता है. I want to go on the roundabout, he says to his mother. And that is the point when he realizes that, of course, balloons also, that's another part. But roundabout के time पे he realizes that his mother is no longer with him. Okay, so balloons के समय, but he knew that his parents would never buy him the balloons because they would say he was too old to play with such toys. So he walked on further. So अगर आपको प्रश्न पूछा जाए that how do we know that the child is also a very understanding and a mature kind of a boy, you need to point out these three instances of the burfi, of the balloons and the snake charmer. और how he knew how his parents would react, आपको इन तीनों एग्जाम्पल्स को साइट करना होगा. लेकिन जब राउंड अबाउट पर जाने की बात उसने, he expressed an interest, he realized that his parents were no longer there. He had moved somewhere and they had wandered away. So that's when he kind of gets into panic mode. He realizes he is the lost child. He is the lost child and that's where the title of the story comes from. टाइटल ऑफ द स्टोरी के ऊपर भी आपको 2 मार्क के प्रश्न आ सकते हैं कि एक्सप्लेन द रेलेवेंस ऑफ द टाइटल ऑफ द स्टोरी द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड, और आपको वहां पर यह पूरा सीक्वेंस समझाना पड़ेगा. एंड एट विच पॉइंट डज ही रियलाइज दैट ही हैज गॉट lost. He was thinking that his parents are still with him, right? That's why he was going from one stall to the other, right? But from the sweet shop to the balloons to the snake charmer, without realizing that his parents were no longer by his side. Okay, तो ये तो हो गई कि तब तक क्या हुआ. उसके बाद that's when he realizes and tears roll down from his eyes and hot and fierce, his flushed face means, again, you know, there is a lot of emotion, face is gone red, tears are flowing, so there is a sense of, you know, deep anguish on his face, and that is what is being referred to as a flushed face, and it is convulsed with fear, convulsed against convulsions. You know, there's a lot of emotions. You know, when we cry, how does our body and our face essentially react? That is what is being referred to. Convulsions is the other word, convulse is the verb. पैनिक स्ट्रिकन. सो आपको ये सारे फ्रेजेस याद रखने होंगे कि किस तरह से रिएक्ट करता है जब बच्चा इस बात को रियलाइज करता है कि वह मेले में खो गया है. His parents are no longer with him. So he runs to the shrine. You know, he sees around, but he's not able to find his parents. And that's when a stranger picks him up. And the stranger tries to kind of cajole him, tries to amuse him by saying that, मैं तुमको बलून लाके दूंगा, मैं तुमको ये snake का इस चीज का म्यूजिक सुनो. He refers to snake charmer, that bean, as a music, while earlier we had referred to it as a coarse kind of a sound. Okay, snake charmer. So he tries to kind of amuse him by showing him the different things at the mela, at the fair. He says, whose baby are you? He keeps on saying, I want my mother, I want my father. So he says, will you go on the horse? कि तुम घोड़े की घुड़सवारी करोगे? He is not interested. He takes him to the snake charmer. He is not interested. Then he says, can you smell those nice flowers? He is not interested. Now you see the interesting thing is change in the behavior of the child. यही लड़का कुछ मिनटों पहले इन सभी चीजों में इंटरेस्टेड था. उसको बर्फी खाने में इंटरेस्टेड था, उसको स्नेक चार्मर के म्यूजिक में इंटरेस्ट था, उसको बलून्स में इंटरेस्ट था, लेकिन अभी उसको stranger asks him the same things, but he's not interested in any of those materialistic things, because then he realizes that he wants his parents back. I want my mother, I want my father. इसको आप कोट के रूप में आंसर में इस्तेमाल भी कीजिए. that becomes his refrain. Refrain मतलब बार बार उसी फ्रेज को बार बार he keeps on repeating. Okay, he keeps on crying and he repeats that is what he wants. So change in the behavior of child is another important question that you need to be mindful of. So ये तो कहानी है मुल्कराज आनंद की The Lost Child. किस तरह के प्रश्न एग्जाम्स में पूछे जा सकते हैं? जैसे हुआ, why did the little boy lag behind? The little boy lagged behind because he was fascinated on seeing the toys, the balloons, the garland of gulmohar flowers, a swing, a snake charmer. He got attracted towards those different things, so he lagged behind his parents. यानी कि parents आगे निकल गए, वह धीरे धीरे चलते चलते मेले में खो गया. Okay, how did the mother distract the child's mind from the toy seller? By pointing towards a flowering mustard field. He saw colorful dragonflies and started running after them. तो ये छोटी छोटी बातें, इसका मतलब ये है कि आपको इस वीडियो को सुनने के बाद कहानी को फिर से पढ़ना होगा. उसमें जो मेन प्रमुख कीवर्ड्स हैं उसको मार्क कर लीजिए ताकि आपको सीक्वेंस समझ में आ जाए, chronology समझ में आ जाए, and then you will be absolutely comfortable with this particular story. How was the child separated from his parents? Because he was looking at toys, balloons and sweets in the fair. He got fascinated with the music of the snake charmer, and then while watching the roundabout swing, he got separated from his parents. That's when he realized that his mother and father were no longer with him. Okay, so ये तो हो गई कहानी The Lost Child की. Simple story, but आपको अटेंशन टू डिटेल पर फोकस करना पड़ेगा. इसमें जितना भी डिटेल्स है उस पर आप फोकस कीजिए, अदरवाइज दिस स्टोरी विल बी ए केक वॉक फॉर यू. यू विल नॉट बी ए लॉस्ट चाइल्ड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टोरी. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग.